Hi, hello and welcome to Jamuna Max CBSE. Today we are going to discuss about class 9 chapter 7, that is triangles. In this triangles exercise 7.1, the very last sum, 8th sum, just the given things alone I wrote here. First thing is triangle ABC is right angled at C. So this is triangle ABC, it is right angled at C. So this angle is 90 degree. M is the midpoint of the hypotenuse. M is the midpoint of the hypotenuse. That means AB is the hypotenuse, M is the midpoint, which means this side and this side will be equal. That is AM is equal to BM. From this point we can able to write AM is equal to BM. And one more thing, in the question even it is given DM is equal to CM. That means this midpoint M is produced to the point D, then B and D are joined together, so that this DM is equal to CM. So DM is equal to CM. So from the given I wrote here AM is equal to BM, and the second point is DM is equal to CM, and we have to prove that triangle AMC is congruent to triangle BMD. Where is triangle AMC? This is which I have drawn with using the red stick, that is AMC is congruent to triangle BMD. Which criteria we can make use? Already it is given two sides are equal and this two intersecting lines are there. This is AB and CD are intersecting each other, so that this so formed angle 1 and angle 2 are equal, that is vertically opposite angles are equal. We can able to write that angle 1 is equal to angle 2, this is vertically opposite angles. This is given. In the question even it is given DM is equal to CM, and this also M is the midpoint of the hypotenuse, so it is understood AM is equal to BM, this is also given. So two sides and one angle, that is by SAS criteria we can able to prove that this triangle AMC is congruent to triangle BMD, that is triangle AMC is congruent to triangle BMD. By which criteria? SAS criteria we can able to say this. So we can pass to the second one now. To see the second segment, that is we have to prove that is angle DBC is a right angle, which means this angle B is 90 degree. So we have to prove this the angle is 90 degree. Already we know in lines and angles, that is if two lines are parallel, if one line is a transversal like that intersecting the parallel lines, the angle so formed on the same side, that is angles on the same side of the transversal is 180 degree. If you add the two angles, that is this angle and this angle together will give you 180 degree. So here DB and AC are, that is DB is parallel to AC and BC is a BC is a transversal. So this is BD and this is CA. So BC is the line, transversal line. So if you add these two angles, the angle will be 180 degree. Here it is in the question even it is given angle C is equal to 90 degree. So angle B plus angle C, that is 180 degree. By which property? Angles on the same side of the transversal are supplementary. Now angle C I am substituting the value, angle B plus 90 degree, that is equal to 180 degree, which means angle B is equal to 180 minus 90. So angle B is equal to 90 degree. So this one is proved now. Angle DBC is right angle. So this angle is a right angle. Now we are going to prove the third one. The third given statement is triangle DBC is congruent to triangle ACB. We have to prove this. For this third statement, we are going to make use of the first statement. What is the first statement? We proved that these two triangles are congruent, which means this BD and AC are equal. So DB, that is equal to AC. This is already we proved from the first statement, that is these two triangles is congruent, we already proved. From that we are taking that DB and AC are equal, that is already we proved. And this BC is common for both the triangles. Now I am taking for triangle DBC. For DBC, BC is the base. For triangle ABC also, BC is the base. So BC is equal to BC, that is common for both the triangles. Now for the second statement we proved already angle B also 90 degree, angle C also 90 degree. So both are equal. Angle B is equal to angle C. That is 90 degree. So we can prove that by SAS criteria this two triangle is congruent. That is triangle DBC is congruent to triangle ACB. By which criteria? By SAS criteria we can able to prove. The very last one is CM is equal to half of AB. The CM is equal to half of AB we have to prove. This is the thing we have to prove. But what we know, CM is equal to half of CD we already know. That is CM is equal to half of CD. That from the figure even we can able to see CM is equal to half of CD. But this CD is nothing but AB. In the first statement we proved these two triangles are congruent, and now also in the third statement we proved DBC is congruent to ACB. From this statement we can able to say CD is equal to AB. So I am substituting the value for CD as AB, that is half of AB. So CM is equal to half of AB. So both the thing, third one as well as the fourth statement we proved.